Hey guys, this is Zaman and welcome back to another new tutorial of PowerPoint School. So today I will show you how to make this attractive and eye-catchy presentation slide in just PowerPoint. I think so far this is the best work that I have done and I hope you will also love this. I work day and night and try to give my best to make this type of PowerPoint stuffs. So I can expect to get the best support from you. Please watch this video till the end. If you haven't subscribed our channel yet, make sure you subscribe and share this video as much as you can. This will motivate me a lot. So without wasting any further time, let's start our today's tutorial. Here you can see I have already taken a blank slide. So first, to change the background color, go to design, click on format background, and from here I'll pick this light gray color. Close it, go to home, pick a rectangle shape, drag it over here, go to format, from shape fill, change the color to light gray. From shape outline, select no outline. Now click on the small arrow, go to effect, under the shadow option, change the shadow color to black, set the transparency to 65%, size 101%, blur 17 point, angle 0 degree and distance 3 point. Now we can close it. Here you can see that our shadow has been added. So now we have to pick a oval shape, holding the Ctrl Shift from your keyboard, drag it over here, go to format, from shape outline select no outline, then pick a rectangle shape, drag it over the circle. Make sure this rectangle is covering the half portion of our circle. Holding the Ctrl button, we need to select this 2. From merge shape, we need to select subtract. Then from shape fill, we'll change the color of this half circle. Now you can drag this shape over here in the middle portion of the rectangle. Pick our text box, drag it over here, add some text or title, selecting the text, change the font to TWC and empty, change the font size, make it bold, make it center. Then go to arrange, from rotate, select rotate left 90 degree. Place this text box over here, select all the text, change the font color to light gray. Now we can add an icon on this half circle. So go to insert, click on picture. I'll take this light icon which I have already downloaded from flaticon.com. I'll give the link in the description of this video. Place it over here. From rotate, select rotate left 90 degree. Place this icon in the middle. Now press Ctrl A to select all of these. Drag them to right. Now we need to select only this rectangle shape and resize it from this side. Holding the Ctrl button, we need to select all of these and press Ctrl G to group. So now what I'll do, right click on this slide, select duplicate. Again do the same, right click and select duplicate, or you can just press Ctrl D to duplicate, because here we need 6 different slides. So go to the second slide, select the half circle from here, go to format, from shape fill, change the color. And also from this text box, change the title. We need to do the same for the third slide. Select this half circle, change the color and the title. In the same way, we can change the color of this half circle from our other slides. That's the reason I'm doing it in fast forward. Here I'm using some custom color, so I'll provide the RGB value in our website, that is powerpointschool.com. Here you can see that we have 6 different slides with the 6 different color combinations. So go to our second slide, select this group of shape, press Ctrl X to cut, go back to our first slide, press Ctrl V to paste. Now place it over here, go forward to our third slide, select this one, press Ctrl X to cut, go back to our first slide, press Ctrl V to paste. Place it here and make sure that the distance is same as before. Here I'm in the fourth slide, press Ctrl X to cut, go back to first slide, press Ctrl V to paste. Do the same for this one. Zoom out a bit, press Ctrl X to cut this one, and Ctrl V to paste, place it here. Doing the same for the last time. Select this one, press Ctrl X to cut, go back to our first slide, press Ctrl V to paste and place it here. Now we have to select all of these. Holding the Shift key from your keyboard, drag all of them to left. Here you have to make sure that this group of shapes are in the right position, and then you can just delete these unnecessary slides. Just select and press delete from your keyboard. Now right click on this slide, select duplicate. In the second slide, select this first group, holding the Shift key, drag it to right. Now you have to do the same, right click on the second slide, select duplicate. For the third slide, select the second group of shape and drag it over here. Right click on this slide, select duplicate. Do the same, select the third group of shape, holding the Shift key, drag it to here. Again right click on this slide, select duplicate. Now select this group of shape, from holding the Shift key, drag it to right. Do the same again, right click, select duplicate slide. Select this group of shape, holding the Shift key, drag it to right again. Right click on this slide, select duplicate for the last time, select this group of shape and drag it to here. Here you can see that we are done with creating all these 7 slides with the free space where we can add our presentation content. For this video, I have already created all the animated content in a different slide, so I will just copy and paste those. Here is our all the animated content. If you go to the animation pane, you can see that the animations are added already. If you don't know how to make these, then I will suggest you to check our previous tutorials or click on the I button to get those videos where I have already explained how to make this. Now just select these and press Ctrl C to copy. Let's come back to our original slide, press Ctrl V to paste, place it in the middle. Go forward to our second slide to add the animated content here. I'll just copy these, press Ctrl C to copy. Come back to our original slide, press Ctrl V to paste, place this in the middle. Go forward to our next slide to add the content. From here, we need to select all of these, press Ctrl C to copy, come back to your original slide, press Ctrl V to paste and place these in the middle. Do the same again, go forward to our next slide to add the content. We just need to select all of these from here, press Ctrl C to copy, come back to our original slide, press Ctrl V to paste, make sure these are in the middle, go forward to the next slide, do the same. I'll just copy this element, press Ctrl C to copy, come back to our original slide, press Ctrl V to paste, make sure these are in the middle. Here you can see that we are just copying and pasting these animated contents. If you don't know how to make this, I have already said that check our previous tutorial or click on the I button. And if you want to use the same content that we are using, I'll provide the resource file, so you need not to worry about it. Now I'll do the same thing for the last time. So go forward to our next slide to add the animated content here. Go to the resource file. From here, I'll select all of these animated content, press Ctrl C to copy, come back to our original slide, press Ctrl V to paste, make sure these are in the middle. So now we are just left with one single step, and that is we need to add the transition. So go back to your first slide, go to transition, and from here you need to select the morph transition and set the duration 0.75 seconds. If you don't have the morph transition in your version of PowerPoint, I'll suggest you to download this template file, as I have added the morph transition here. So it doesn't matter you have the morph transition or not, you will be able to use it. But this will work only for this template. So we are done with our today's tutorial. If you start the slideshow, you can see that everything is working as expected. Let me share a thing, that is if you go to any marketplace to buy PowerPoint template, you have to pay around $20. But here I'm providing the best works for free of any cost. So again, I'm asking for your kind support. I have provided the download link in the description of this video, or you can visit our website powerpointschool.com. There you'll get the written documentation and also the download button. If you have enjoyed this tutorial, make sure you give a like for this video. If you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to click on the bell icon so that you get a notification when you upload a new video. So that's all for today. Hope to see you in the next tutorial, and thanks for watching.